Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can make an employee absence schedule in Microsoft Excel. So let's go quick into the process. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Excel to bring up and open the Microsoft Excel. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank workbook. Now here we just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top and you can find the File tab. Click on that. Here in the list of options, you need to simply look at the right pane and you will find More Templates. Click on that. And you will find here Search for Online Templates. First things first, you need to make sure that you are connected to an internet connection to proceed with the next methods or next steps. So click on the search bar and simply type Employee Absence and click on the search icon. And now you will find this template, Employee Absence Schedule. Click on that and simply click on Create. Now there you go, you have it. So here you have this Employee Absence Schedule. You also have here the absence type key. So V stands for vacation, P for personal, S for sick, and then custom 1, and then custom 2 if you want to add more absence type key. Now here you can see the dates of absence. So you can simply type in here or just simply follow the same thing. Up to the last number for the month that you are going to indicate the absences for your employee. And then you have here the names, employee name. And you also have here the total of the absences. You can also change that from here. And then that's it. Also have here for February, March, April, May. So you don't need to change the date from here because this is for uh 12 months. Okay, and you have here the employee names. You can simply change that from here. So obviously you cannot change the employee name from here. So if you're going to delete that and then type a name, you will face an error. This value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. So you can change that from here, employee names, and just simply type the names of the employees. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.